Hello, and welcome back to our series. Today, we are going to be working on our hero section, the first thing your visitors will see. So, let's build a hero section that grabs attention and that will surely give our site visitors a good impression. Let's get started. Your chosen template will have a hero section of its own. You can use it and edit it instead of starting from scratch. We will start with the content first, and then we're going to move on to the designing part afterwards. Click on your header section, and then click on the quick edit button or the pencil icon. On the right panel, you'll be able to easily edit the contents. So go ahead and edit your section background if you want to, as well as your strip background, which could be your photo. And that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to choose image, but feel free to use any background you want. All right, now let's add a catchy headline. By the way, if you're not that great in writing, you can use an AI writing assistant to further improve your texts. That's what I usually do, just as long as the main idea is still there. Let's also add a catchy tagline below our headline. And don't forget your call to action button. And to properly link our button, we're going to click link over here. We're going to select page and we're going to select the book now page. Make sure it opens in the current window and click on done so that every time a visitor clicks on our call to action button, they'll be taken to the book now page where they can select any service they want to book. All right, since we've taken care of the content, we're now going to take care of the style itself. So click on a text and click on edit text. And using the tools on this small window, go ahead and style your text however you want to. You can also even add effects. The same goes for your button. So if you want to change its design, click on it and click on design. You can select from button designs over here that you can easily apply. And to further customize it, click on customize design. And from here, you can change your fill color, border, corner shadow, text, etc. And if you also want to adjust your hero section height, you can do so. Just drag and drop this height handle and adjust it to the size you prefer. Basically, keep on working on your hero section until you're happy with it. And once you're happy with it, go ahead and click on save to make sure that your progress is stored. And there you have it. Your site is starting to come to life with your hero section in place. And that's it for today. We hope you found today's video of help. If you did, hit like and subscribe for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.